Hey gamers, this is your boy the Ultimate Josh 101. Today I'm gonna play a different game today. It's called World of Warships Blitz. I think a lot of you guys should know about this game. It's technically a naval based warfare game which you can get hundreds of ships, hundreds and thousands of ships from different places, different countries, and you can use them you can battle them out in maps in this game. And also it's like the best online PvP war game there is in the internet. It's like the best. So yeah, let's just get started on it. I started playing a long time ago before I made my YouTube channel. I got this ship here, it's called the Fuse from a Japanese type. So let's just start. I'll show you how it goes. Really epic game, right? I'm in battle now. See, look. Yeah. Ready for battle. You're ready. Let's go.
Action stations. Enemy target spotted. Target hit! Nice shot! Good hit shot. The enemy! Target penetrated. Nice shot! Aircraft incoming! We're under attack! The situation is under control. Torpedoes! Our team is about to win. We're under attack!
Weapons?
Enemy ship destroyed.
So, that's how you play the game. If you you know the battle star, first rank first on your team by experience points and on the map. Like this is a very good game. If you're a person that loves war or maybe likes naval warfare, this is actually a good game. Just to tell you that it takes 2 GBs. If you have a good phone, you can actually download this game. And you can play with it too. Yeah, I can do this. I can do all this. I can upgrade my ship too. I can even put all of this method or except this. I need to get one of those. Blue fish please. Oh no, should I try one aircraft carrier? Or maybe. Let me buy an aircraft carrier. Okay. Buy an aircraft carrier. Do forgot that. No. No. Oh, okay, here. So this is the tech tree. So this is where you can get different types of ships. I actually chose Japan, the Japanese tech, because it's actually very good. And mine's also a fusel. I wonder why. It's the other pedal. So like I couldn't stop playing until I had to until my
Battle starts. Target spotted.
Me and Congo gonna team up and then fight on. Just look at my comment.
Nice shot.
Oh no, we get rammed into. Stop under fire. Well, any comments is better. Wall of warships is hard. Because it actually has good graphics. It can give you better for some fun.
We hit the enemy.
Come on. Like this. Mexico is trying to.
Enemy aircraft incoming. Torpedoes.
Repair. Activate this. I need to activate this.
Ship is on fire.
So what it is? It's a precise aiming. Comes to every battleship, but if you attack.
Target hit.
Destroyers are good, but if you are on battleships which are strong, then you are in a very bad place because they can actually flank you with their automatic secondary guns if it's like a really high class battleship. But torpedoes can do really high amounts of damage on a battleship.
We're hit.
Only have two. In sync those two. Congo, don't come close to me. Congo, what did I say? Why you? Let me just sink the ship. And it's raining bullets on him. Let me sink him. Almost done. Miss. Oh, I hit him. Okay, never mind. I'm not man of the match though. It's okay. So, also when they load, they have this advices like every time that you after you play a game or when you load into a game, they tell you stuff that might help you when you battle. So I might end the video now, so please give me a like and subscribe, and I'll see you next time. Peace.